Well, hello everyone. I am with my Kumihimo decks. As usual, I have a link in the description, and we have 8 strings here, and we are going to make a Kumihimo, a very long one. So my strings are extremely long. They don't have to be this long. Make them about a meter or a meter and a half. And I'm just going to arrange my strings on my decks. We're going to use all the 4 lines, so 2 2. So we have 1 and 2. We have 8 and 9, and we have 17 and 18 and 25 and 26, all against those lines. And we're going to get started. So we're going to take 2 and move it all the way down to 16, all the way down to 16, and we'll take 18 all the way up to 32, and turn anti-clockwise. We'll take 10, move it all the way down to 24 and 26, up to 8, turn, and 17 down to 31 and 32, sorry, 1 up to 15, turn. We'll take 25 down to 7, and then we'll take 9 up to 23, turn. Take 32 down to 14 and take 16 up to 29. No, sorry, up to 30. I'm just mixing up the numbers today. Turn. Then we'll take 8 down to 22, take 24 up to 6. Then we'll take 15 down to 29 and 31 up to 13. Turn. 23 down to 5 and 7 up to 21. Turn. 30 down to 12 and 14 up to 18. So we are actually done. We'll just keep repeating these steps until when we have our desired length. But thank you for watching, and let me tag me on Instagram so I can see what you made, and leave me a comment or a pattern you want me to make, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.